Today you'll see two adeniums and how they performed after I exposed the roots on one of them and started another one from a cutting. Something really interesting coming up as we'll see their naked roots. And that's not it. We'll talk about soil quality, flowering, sunlight requirements, watering schedule, fertilizer, and how to make sure they stay healthy and ready for years to come. Hey plant lover, how you doing? Welcome back. Hope things are pretty great in your garden and your life. Well, here are two adeniums if you call one the parent and the other baby. Now, of course, I'll run a short video right at the start where you'll know all about these two plants, and then we start the second and latest part in the series, Adenium Masterclass. The older video has some 8,000 views, so it's clear that not all of you have seen it. I'll leave a link in the description which will take you there. Watch it first or after this video, up to you. And yes, please make sure if you're an adenium parent, you check out the whole set of adenium videos in the playlist. Let's start now. Yes, like, share and subscribe. Here is the recap of how these plants came to be. Some background. This adenium was in a pot and the roots went wild and broke open the pot. So I did what I had to and started this adenium by exposing the roots and got the main branch cut to start another one. Plants are looking good after 2 weeks. They have been in shade, were watered every 3 days, and no fertilizer was added. The stems and the leaves are looking awesome and great sign for both the plants. Love the trunk on the parent plant. Like you, I had expected it to go a little dry and become harder with some kind of coverage, but it still looks like a part of the root. One exercise to an adenium can give you such an illusion of a thicker caudex, and over time it would be a caudex, storing water and driving, flowering and giving the plant a distinct look. Now is the time to let these plants be in full sun and add some organic fertilizer, of course, removed away from the stems. From here on, start watering once every 7 days in the evenings. Four months into the process, and we have two well-established adeniums, and after the exposure of the roots, flowering for the first time. The smaller one is also showing some buds. However, I'm aware they won't materialize into flowering, at least for another 6 months or so. I know, you've been waiting for this. Let's get the roots out and see what's going on inside the pot. Mind you, adeniums don't mind repotting and pruning at all. If done right, these processes would help the plant grow better and aggressively. So don't wait or fear, just know the process and go for it. And every once in a while, you should pull these adeniums out of the pots to make sure the roots are in perfect health and the soil is in great condition. If the roots look somewhat infected, all you have to do is make a clean cut and get rid of the infected part. That might not be it, but at least you'll have time to figure out more about the problem. Give the potting mix a smell to know the quality of it. A moist, earthy smell is good, but if it smells funny, you know you got some work to do. Change the soil and keep the plant under observation. During this time, the plant would stay in shade, keep watering every 2-3 days, and again, keep it under good observation. Time to get these plants into the pots and time for you to head to the Adenium playlist. Link is in the description. If you have any questions, feedback or suggestions, please share your comments and we'll discuss them. Thank you for your time and support. I wish you luck and energy. Stay safe, stay healthy. Cheers. Goodbye.